Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to share my cozy fall evening routine, and it is fall here in New York and the weather has been gray and rainy, so it's perfect time to stay inside and get cozy and warm. So the first thing I do when I come home is picking up all my packages downstairs. I am actually a little bit of an online shopaholic. I take off all my shoes because I have a no shoe policy in the house. Every guest, I have a pair of flip-flops and it keeps everything clean. So when I come home, I start to unpack all my groceries. I like to buy fresh food before I come home to cook. And I also found this vegan chips. Let me try it. It is actually very, very tasty. When I come home, I'm always a little bit hungry and I like to have a little snack. Then I unbox my boxes, and in today's package I have a super cute Marc Jacobs bag with makeup, which is actually a present, so thank you very much. And the second one, I actually forgot what I ordered last week, so let's check this out. Oh, it is my rice cooker. This way I will always have warm rice, which is super easy. And lately I experiment with overnight rice as breakfast, and it was pretty good, so I might share a recipe for that soon as well. Then I put some hot water on to make a nice cup of tea. And one of the first things I do when I come home is change into comfy clothes. I just want to be warm and cozy. This is my favorite cashmere tracksuit. I have literally everything in cashmere and I absolutely love it. This pink sweater is from Naked Cashmere. It's one of my favorite cashmere brands. Then I make a cup of tea and chill and hang out for little moments. I always put music on because I hate an apartment without music in the evening. It just relaxes me a lot. I always put candles on because this makes me very relaxed as well, and the house just smells so good. It brings me in a nice, comfortable mood. So this is the moment I sit down, I check my phone, my Instagram a little bit, everything I missed during the day. I have a cup of tea and I read a little bit the news. And I had actually no idea that I put my sweater on inside out. Oops. And then it's time to cook. Most people in New York order food or go out, but I try to cook during the week because I want to know what I'm preparing, what kind of ingredients I use. And I feel the weekends are nice for eating out with friends or eating out with my boyfriend. Also, today is a super rainy day, so I like to get cozy and have a lovely meal. So for tonight, I keep it simple. I am preparing some veggies which are in the season right now, like sweet potato, a corn squash, roasted Brussels sprouts with sea bass fish and some chicken. I cut all the veggies in pieces and I put salt and pepper on them. And for the sweet potato, I put some garlic powder. For the Brussels sprouts, some cinnamon. Gives like a really nice taste to it. For the corn squash, I put some rosemary and thyme. And with very simple ingredients, you can make delicious, healthy food. I just put this in the oven for about 30 minutes. As you can see, I'm making quite a lot of food, but I will use it also for the next day, for lunch or for dinner. I am cooking some quinoa, seasoning the sea bass. I marinate the chicken in a little Ziploc bag with the Dijon mustard. It is so yummy and easy. I feel it really blends well together like this in a bag. So while I'm waiting till everything is ready, I am just reading all the spam magazines. I am actually really interested in interior design and I'm looking for some cute things for my new apartment. It's kind of freaky when they know exactly what you're looking for and you find those products in the spam box. Anyway, the dinner is ready and it's going to be served. I have here the roasted sweet potatoes, the cucumber salad, roasted squash, Brussels sprouts and fish and chicken. I feel dinner is a very important time and meal of the day. However, how busy I am, I always want to take a moment and sit at the table and have a nice dinner. I think it's very important to be aware when you eat, instead doing something else and eating at the same time. This is the moment where I tell Max or a friend what I did today, and it's time to relax and to catch up a little bit. So the dinner is done. We have a great rule that I cook and Max cleans, so for me it's time to really chill out right now. I'm going to the bathroom to take a shower and to do my skincare routine. First thing I do is I check out my skin if it's dry or oily, and I always tend to squeeze little blocked pores, which I really should not do. I'm always taking off my makeup, and I'm using this makeup remover from Verso Stockholm. I feel it takes off the makeup very well, but it's really not aggressive for my skin at all. It's all natural and cruelty free. Then I hop in the hot shower and I'm using this shampoo and this conditioner for my hair. These are all natural and paraben free. And I have quite thin hair, so these shampoos give it a little bit of more volume. For my body, I'm using this fresh shower gel, which smells amazing. I feel nothing is better than a hot shower in the winter. So I hop out of the shower and I dry myself, and this is the most painful moment when the cold really hits you. I use a body oil from Fresh to moisten my dry skin on my legs and arms and to make it soft and smooth again. Then I am going to use my N61 face cleanser, and this is a foamy cleanser. I'm actually only using a cleanser once a day in the evening to really take off all the dirt from the day. This really cleans all my pores on my face, and I like to give it a cold splash of water afterwards to close the clean pores. And lately I was quite stressed, so I have a little bit of breakouts and my skin was very sensitive, so I could use a little detox. So I'm going to use this detox mask from Omerovicka, which is a mud mask and really cleans out all the pores. So while I have the mask on, I am just plugging my eyebrows a little bit and I'm messing around in the bathroom, just cleaning up a little bit. After 10 minutes, I rinse it off with some warm water. To hydrate my face, I'm using this Hair Before green tea face spray. I mentioned Hair Before before, which is a new line I'm trying out, which is all natural and I'm actually a huge fan of. On top of this, I am using this Fresh serum. This really hydrates my skin without clogging it. And on top of this, I'm going to use the Hair Before, there we go again, Moon Fruit night cream. And the color of this night cream looks very interesting, but no worries, you won't look blue. So on top of this, I'm using this La Mer eye balm to give some extra vitamins underneath my eyes. Because of the dryness of the weather, I really need to exfoliate my lips like 2 or 3 times a week. So I'm using this Frank Body Coffee lip scrub to make my lips smooth again. Because I have a couple of breakouts, I am using some tea tree oil and I'm putting this on the spots to get it healed quickly again. Then I put on my pajamas and I go back to the living room to watch a little TV. And I'm actually moving, so I don't have a couch anymore, so beanbags it is for now. And Max and I are always spending more time on finding something to watch than actually watching some TV. And he really likes science fiction and I really don't, so sometimes a little argument. Lately I am very into the new series of Narcos. I feel it's so good, season 3. So yeah, I'm just chilling a little bit and hanging out, and normally around 11:30 I go to bed. I brush my teeth and I put my night contacts in, and these are contacts special made for my eyes, and I put them in the evening. I sleep with them, and tomorrow morning I will take them out and I will see clear all day. So this is an average evening routine of mine, and I hope you guys liked watching this. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions for me or if you have any other tips. I linked all the products I used in this video down below if you want to take a look at it. And also don't forget to subscribe and put the notifications on to don't miss any other video. And now it's time to go to bed and sleep. So have a good night, guys.